I heard it in a crowded market. That old ringtone. For a second, everything stopped. It wasn't even loud. Just a simple, familiar tune that used to live in everyone's pocket. But the moment it played, my mind went somewhere else, somewhere slower. Back to the days when phones weren't silent all the time. When a ringtone actually meant something. When you'd rush to pick up a call before it stopped, heart racing. Not because it was urgent, but because it might be someone important. I remember assigning special tones to special people. One for family, one for friends, and one for someone I never wanted to miss. That ringtone meant anticipation, hope, sometimes even a little fear. Now, everything is on vibrate. Calls feel like interruptions. Messages can wait. But back then, every ring was a moment, a decision, a connection. In the market, I turned around, searching for the source. An old man stood there, smiling as he answered his phone, completely unaware that he had just unlocked a memory I didn't know I was still carrying. The ringtone stopped. The noise returned. And just like that, the moment was gone. But the feeling stayed. That once not so long ago, a simple sound could make your heart skip a beat.